Did you know that 54% of first-time voters rely on search engines and social media to verify information that they consume? Well, you heard that right. In a recent study, from smartphones to ballot boxes, conducted by Quant Advisory and Ask Social and Media Matters, powered by Contrace.ai, clearly showed that the first-time voters rely majorly on internet sources. And in this video, I will also talk about circulation, verification and identification of misinformation, where 5,837 respondents took part in the research. We are going through a major time which will shape the future of our younger generations. And if I talk about incidences from a workshop on media literacy, which we do pan-India, then it will tell you that what are the beliefs of the youth. One of the students in a workshop shared that I always use phone to check if something is true or not because it's just so easy to look up on social media. While another student shared that I tend to follow information from a verified account or a verified page. So I believe it more. So these are some of the examples which tells us that while the internet offers quick access to information, this heavy dependence has a downside. If we talk about figure 12 of the report, you will see that various categories of information which people tend to verify, and it's of no surprise that political information leads the bar while economic, financial, religious or law and order just follows it. This is because misinformation is more prevalent in this category. In one of our previous videos, we have also talked about it. The lack of education about verification of information or media literacy is way low while consumption of content is way high. And figure 13 of the report shows that ease of identifying misinformation. Then you will see that the majority says they have a neutral opinion, which means either they know or they don't know how to verify information. While the sum of the three sections, neutral, difficult and extremely difficult, we observe that majority respondents find it a challenge to verify information. This makes it even clear that we need to have dedicated courses or a curriculum for students in educational institutions to learn the mechanisms to detect and verify misinformation. However, I feel that over-reliance can lead to the spread of misinformation, and without proper guidance and literature, the problem will persist. So we need more comprehensive digital literacy programs and stricter regulations to ensure that information people consume is actually accurate. For the time being, let me share some quick tips with you. So always check and verify information from multiple sources. Look for a reputed website. Verify author's credentials. Check the date of publication and be wary of bias. I believe that with all this, we can together combat misinformation and make informed decisions. Let's strive for a more knowledgeable society.